Hello guys, you're welcome back to our channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing right now. Thank you. Alright, so today we are going to be looking at how you can use the format painter. Okay, the format painter feature is what you use to quickly apply one cell's format to another cell or range. And we're going to be looking at how you can do that in this very video. So when you look at what we have here on our sheet, you can see that we have two different classes of this sheet. So we have this very region, okay, which is already filled with a certain kind of format. And these are our practice area, which has not been filled with the format. So there are two types of formatting that we're going to be doing. So the first is the one that involves us selecting just a cell or a range and then applying our format. And the second is for us to be able to apply a format in multiple locations. Okay, once we have selected our painter, so that we don't have to always go back to our painter to be able to format. Now let's get started. So here we first of all select a cell that contains the format that we want to copy. So for this very example, I want to select region because I want to format this other region the same way. Then come under clipboard here and then select this brush, this format painter brush. Then I come to this region and click on it. It automatically gives it that format. Okay, but it does once. So if I want to add to this product, for example, I have to go back, select, and then put it on this product. Okay, so let me clear it. Now I can do same for these revenues, but let me use the range in the case of this revenue. So I'll select on any of this, then come to this clipboard, and then I want to apply it to this range. So you can see it applied the same format, that's the $sign as well as the color to the whole of it. There may be times when you just want to select this brush and apply it to multiple locations without having to go back and forth. In that instance, you may want to use a certain trick. Okay, so let me undo this first. So how you do it is you select the cell containing the kind of format you want, and then when you come under this clipboard and this painter brush, instead of just clicking once, you double click. Okay, once you double click, you have your brush enabling you to apply this format multiple times. So I can click here, click here, click here, click here, as much as I want. Okay, and if I am done, it's either I press the escape key or I come back here and deselect. So it's either I press my escape key or come under this clipboard and deselect from this format painter. So let me deselect from here. So that is it. You can apply to a cell, you can apply to multiple cells, and you can also use the format painter in multiple locations without having to go back and forth with it. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you were able to find this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It will help the channel grow, and I'll appreciate it so much. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.